Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, just right click on the start icon and select device manager. You can also search it from here. Simply type your device manager and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to expand the audio inputs and outputs and sound, video and game controllers. First of all, we will right click on this particular device, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update drivers, then select the first option and the base drivers will be installed automatically. Again, do the same process for these two one also, and then close this window. Now go to search bar, type your control panel and click here to open it. Make sure we have to select view by as large icons. If you selected category, then go to view by and select large icons and just scroll down and click on sound. And once we are here, we need to try to disable and enable these speakers or any other device. Just right click on it, disable, again right click on it and enable it, then select it, click on properties, then go to enhancements tab and check this box. Again go to levels and make sure keep this up to the 100%, then click on apply and then OK. Now just restart the system, and you can also check out our pin command. It will fix this issue quickly and effectively. That's it guys, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.